Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. So today we're going to look at how to move created pins to any board. So it's going to be a quick and easy tutorial. So if you're new to Pinterest, follow along with me. So first of all, you need to have created your pin. Then you're going to navigate to your Pinterest account. From there, I'm going to go to the native scheduler and I'm going to click on that. I'm going to upload a pin by clicking on the plus icon. So I've already got one uploaded, which I'm going to add to a board. But if you haven't, you would just click, choose a file and upload it from your laptop or drag it over. So I'm going to click on the pin I want to add to a board, going to give it a title to make money online. So normally I would put something a little bit more there and also add quite a detailed description with a couple of other keywords, but just for the tutorial, I'm just going to write that. I'm going to go grab the link for the pin and I'm going to add that in the link section so people can click through to my website. Then I'm going to add this created pin to a board. So the pin is about making money online. So I'm going to find the most suitable board for that. Luckily, I have got a board called Make Money Online. If you haven't got a board to put it on, you can click on Create Board and make one quickly. Then you can add tags, which are sort of like related topics to the pin. Again, it helps with SEO, helps people find your pin. And when you're done, all you need to do is click on Publish and your created pin will be sent to your board. So that's it for today. Hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, drop them below the video and I will see you soon.